How you doing, Jane?
I am wonderful. How are you?
Oh, I can't complain. Beautiful day.
It is. Every day at Clayville is a beautiful day.
Yep.
How was the sleeping weather last night?
Not bad. Cool. It would have been nicer if I had had my stove in the tent, but I didn't know it was going to get that cool. I could have set it up. Throwing a fire in there and it'd been roast you out. Are you making distance?
Yeah, what's Chef Noah making this morning?
I'm gonna cook an egg. A little hungry. You're still hungry? Just a little bit. You want them muffins? I don't want muffins. You don't want them muffins. Bacon and eggs, huh? You want some bacon? One egg. One egg. Don't throw it at me. Oh. I probably won't be able to catch it. You're gonna burn your butter there, fella. Are you recording? Really? And now I interrupted it, didn't I?
No, you didn't interrupt it. It is living history. This is what we do.
Cool.
People need to know that when you guys come out here and camp and do this, that you live in the time period and cook in the time period.
Try to. That's the best non-stick pan I got.
Original cast iron.
Actually, it's forged. But how many pans let an egg slide like that?
And of course a good blacksmith would have a nice pan like that, wouldn't he?
Hopefully. If he's a good blacksmith like him.
I saw the hook that Noah made earlier.
Very nice, isn't it?
It was very nice.
Yeah, right here. Nice.
Oops. Here we go. Now I can see it.
And it got a little safety hook on the end and a little twist for ornamental purposes, and very nice little hook.
It is very nice.
Yeah, great for a fireplace or anywhere you need to hang something.
and where are you from?
I'm John Miller from the Rushville area.
What's that?
I said, who are you and where are you from?
Dale Jacobson, Beardstown.
Welcome to Clayville.
Yep. Mouscouten Bay Long Rifles is our club.
Well, good afternoon. You want to tell me who you are and where you're from?
Hello, my name is Whiskey Rick. I'm from Schuyler County, Illinois, and I'm 73 years old, and it's a story my daddy told me when I was about 9 years old of what happened then, and he was a farmhand, and we all lived in a big old 13-room house out there on this farm, and he was telling me that they raised sheep, and he said something had been killing the sheep. And they said every morning at a different farm they'd find a sheep with its throat slit, and it had been about half eaten, and said they seen some big prints, but they couldn't tell exactly what it was. So they decided to get together on a moonlit night and set up in the hayloft and wait and see if the old whatever it was would come. And sure enough, about 10:30, across the field, they seen this big white thing coming. And they sat there and looked and looked and looked, and pretty soon it got bigger and bigger and bigger. And it was, by the time it got to the fence, it was huge. And Dad said it crawled under the fence, and he said it was about to get a hold of one of them sheep. And he said 3 of them opened up on it with shotguns, and they killed it. He said it was the biggest white thing you ever seen. He said we measured it, and he said it was 9 feet from his tip of its nose to the tip of its tail. And it was really big.
What was it?
It was the biggest tomcat they'd ever seen.
That sounds like a pretty tall tale to me.
Well, it could have happened.
Well, it could have.